You will find artists and creative thinkers and creative people do tend to be more on the softer, sensitive side. And those are the same
Yeah.
people that tend to have a negative relationship with money. So there's this belief that I can't
Mm,
live from the
interesting.
thing that I love. And that is
Oh,
the
yeah.
biggest lie that beautifully creative people subscribe to, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy because there's so many people that believe that and live their life by it. So they do things that they don't really want to be doing, that doesn't set their hearts and soul on fire, that isn't a real contribution from their soul to the world, to society, and just living out of alignment.
Oh my God, you said that incredibly beautifully. Thank you so much. That was awesome. Because yes, there, I believe that we can live these. To your point, is we can get. Well, let's use the career and the
Yeah.
money. I think it's a great example.